Okay, so this is where we are, Coonalpyn. Right behind me are the silos. Oh, good morning again. It's now Easter Monday. Happy Easter to everybody. I hope you had a good time. On the highway, as you can hear, and it's just up the road from the silo art. And I'll show you that when we get closer. Here, ham and cheese toasty with a little side salad, tomato sauce.
Awesome.
Well, welcome to the caravan park. And this is the entrance going down. So if you require power and water, it's first in, best dressed. You cannot make any bookings. If you want unpowered, they're down the back. They do have garbage bins, they have a dump point and nice clean toilets with showers. And everything here is paid by credit card on PayWave. So if you pull up to a powered site after 12 p.m, you use your credit card and that gives you 24 hours. If you get here before, there's a good chance that you're using someone else's power until midday, then it cuts you off. Interesting. So this is the powered section, all here and across the other side there. It's for unpowered and no water. Another section for the powered sites. And I'll take you up to the swimming pool and the toilets. And that's where we're parked, right there. And then when you, after 12 noon, you need to use your credit card and do that. Tap it on there and it's $15 for 24 hours. And this is the swimming pool area. 2 pools. It didn't open today because the temperature has to be 25 degrees or over, and I've just looked on BOM and it's 22 degrees, so it won't be open today. This is the toilet block here and showers. So that's the entrance to the pool. Have a laundry, dryer and washing machine, and a little bit of a book exchange here. So this is the male toilet, and again, if you want to have a shower, tap that for $5. Also have a BMX track there and playground. Just looking back towards the park area itself, and all the bins over there and the dump point. So yes, a lovely little park. $15 a night, powered or unpowered, free of charge.